Welcome to How Simply, the channel where we break down everything in life simply. Today, we're diving into something really useful. All the best Veterans Day deals for 2025 across America. From retail and travel to restaurants and free meals, we've got you covered with everything you need to know to make the most of this special day.
Let's kick things off with retail deals. Under Armour is leading the way with a 40% discount through Veterans Day. They normally offer 20% year-round for military and veterans, so this is double the savings. Kohl's joins in with 30% off in-store only, while Under Armour's discount works both in-store and online. Just remember, you'll need a valid military ID or veteran ID to qualify.
If you're planning a trip, Super 8 by Wyndham is offering 15% off stays during Veterans Day. Extended Stay America is also giving an extra discount on top of their regular military rates. It's the perfect time to plan that quick weekend getaway and save while you're at it. Need a car wash or even the new ride? The Grace for Vets program offers free car washes for veterans at participating locations nationwide. That includes Russell Speeders, Water, Zips, and more. And if you're looking to upgrade your wheels, Ford is giving $1,000 cash back on new vehicles. That's double their usual veteran offer.
For personal services, Sports Clips and Great Clips are both offering free haircuts on Veterans Day. Great Clips even lets you schedule the haircut for a later date if you don't need it that day. Planet Fitness is letting veterans and active service members work out for free from November 8th through the 15th. And you can even bring a guest. A perfect way to stay active and save some cash.
Now for the online shoppers out there, Samsung is giving 30% off many items on their website. And Amazon is offering up to 20% off select products with a dedicated Veterans Day section on their homepage. In previous years, Amazon also discounted Prime memberships, though that's not confirmed yet. Still worth checking out. All right, time for everyone's favorite part, the free food. Here are the top restaurants offering free meals this Veterans Day. Applebee's, free entree from a special Veterans Day menu. Chili's, free meal from selected items, dine-in only. Olive Garden, free entree with salad and breadsticks. Denny's, free original Grand Slam breakfast, 5 a.m. to noon. Texas Roadhouse, free lunch entree or meal voucher for later. Golden Corral, free dinner buffet during Military Appreciation Night. Red Robin, free tavern burger and bottomless fries. Buffalo Wild Wings, free 10 boneless wings and fries. Bob Evans, free meal from a breakfast menu, dine-in only. Outback Steakhouse, free Bloomin' Onion and Coke product, plus year-round 10% off. Starbucks, free tall hot or iced coffee, extended to military spouses. Dunkin' Donuts, free donut of choice, no purchase needed. To get these deals, you'll need to show proof of service, a military ID, veteran ID, VA health card, driver's license with a veteran tag, or your DD-214. If you're not a veteran, please don't take advantage of these offers. They're meant to honor those who served, not to be misused. Pay attention to the time limits for each deal. Some are breakfast only, some are lunch or all day. And don't forget to tip your servers. Even if the meal is free, their work isn't. Many local restaurants and small businesses offer Veterans Day deals too. Check your local papers, blogs, or community pages to find hidden gems nearby. Supporting small businesses helps your community and honors the spirit of the day. One final reminder, be humble, be thankful, and enjoy these gestures of appreciation with respect. These discounts and meals are a thank you, not an entitlement. Let's represent veterans the right way, with pride and gratitude. Thanks for watching How Simply, your go-to channel for breaking down life's everyday how-tos. If you made it this far, drop a comment below. Should we try visiting every Veterans Day deal in one day?
Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and stay tuned for more simple guides to life's big and small moments. See you in the next video, and happy Veterans Day.